In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Discord, right? And for us to be able to create a Discord server, what you're going to do now, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on this plus icon, right? So I'm going to click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you click on this create my own. So I want to create a community. So I'll click on this, right? So it's basically like a test video, so I'm gonna name this server, let's say test, right? So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on this create. So you can see we have successfully created our own Discord server. So this is how you can create a Discord server, right? So if you find this really helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.